Hip-Hop Express.
Wow! We are fly high! Hi everyone, I'm Jalu. Hi, my name is Kim. Hi guys, I'm Krista. What's up, SM North? I'm Rosher, and we are Gara! Wow, maraming salamat po sa warm welcome. SM North, mag-ingay! Grabe yung energy. Feeling ko yung iba dito kanina pang umaga. Tama ba yun? 5 a.m. Grabe dedication. Kasi kanina pala merong hip-hop cover dance. Na-announce na ba yung winners? Oh!
Umabot ka na pa doon.
Congrats!
Nabalita ko may nag-cover daw sana.
Yes!
Sila.
Sila.
Ay, parang balak mag-sample.
Sample! Ay, nalaman siya. Ayan. Sa mga... Ay! Yan. Let's go! Kamulan ka namin. Ayan po, sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa amin, kami po ang Yara. And nag-debut po kami noong March 10, 2023 with our single, Ada. Dapat. And then, recently po, noong January, nag-release po kami ng another single, which is titled Eksena, na amin pong syempre ipa-perform later. Actually, next na siya eh. Sino mga nakakalang dito ng Eksena? Wow! Parang gusto nila mag-back up sa atin.
Sige. Yung mga nag-dance challenge ba ng Eksena dito sa TikTok?
Oh! Nice. Good job.
Parang may hindi part ng Eksena doon.
Parang ba? Napansin niyo ba yung lahat? Hindi, actually, I take yung opportunity na lahat tayo huminga. Kasi ito yung something na pinitake for granted natin everyday.
Yes.
Kaya sabayan niyo kami guys. Inhale. Exhale. One more chance. Inhale. Exhale. Well, very good mga bata. Ito na nga. Ay, hindi na rin. Ilabas mo yung kifi. Anong kifi? Ano ba yung kifi? Hindi, actually, yung first half ng pinerform namin kanina, it's gonna be our comeback single, which is titled Katawan Go!
Kaya, ayun kagabi po, nag-drum na po kami ng cover art namin. And, sino po dito mga naka-pre-save na?
Magkaka-raffle po tayo.
Taking you higher, we are Cloud 7. And this is hello everyone, I'm C7 Ryan. What's up everyone? My name is C7 Johan. Hello everyone, I'm C7 Egypt. Hello everyone, I'm C7 Migs. Hello everyone, I'm C7 PJ. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm C7 Dion. Nice to meet you all. What's up everyone? Kumusta kayo lahat? Hope everyone is having an amazing day. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan yung SM City North EDSA for inviting us and giving us an opportunity to perform with lots of people. Sana lang dyan yung mga rainbows. Nandiyan ba lahat ng rainbows? Yan. Gusto ko yung acknowledge syempre yung mga ate at kuya namin. Nandiyan ba yung mga fans ng Believe? Hindi ko marinig. Nandiyan ba yung fans ng Believe? Nandiyan naman ba yung mga fans ng Yara? Yung fans ng Kaya? Yung fans ng Pixie? And of course, yung fans ng PHP? Oo, paano naman yung talista? Yan, dahil mo na supporters ng mga attend ko yun natin guys. Kaya gusto ko pasalamat sa inyo, everyone, for supporting our brothers and sisters and for welcoming us sa P-pop community. Maraming salamat kayo. Thank you po! Handa na ba kayo sa second performance namin? Alright everyone, sana mag-enjoy nyo ito. This is our newest single na kanta namin. I hope you guys enjoy. Maraming salamat po!
So, everyone, before anything else, we would like to introduce ourselves. Hi, I'm Hannah. Hey guys, I'm Pearl. Hello everyone, I'm Nicole. Hi everyone, I'm Jin. Hi, I am Kat. And I'm Nita, and we are Pixie. We just performed a cover song from Miss Nadine Luznes, Para Para At, choreography by yours truly. And also, you can watch it on our YouTube channel. Follow us in all our social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram at Pixie Official Page. And for anything else, we would like to thank Sidney's Production and SM North EDSA for inviting us here to perform with P-pop artists. And also, especially, we would like to thank all of our fans who came all the way here to support us. Thank you guys, we really appreciate it.
What's up, people?
Wow! Dami ka naman.
Sige, magpakilala tayo. Becoming!
Limitless Beyond!
Beyond? Believe! Matapos yung ito.
Hello po, I'm Marcy. Kumusta po kayo lahat? What's up, ako po si Carlo! Hello everyone, I am Clyde!
Everyone in Gina!
Everyone, my name is Zero.
Marami ka rin sa mga sobrang para sa amin mga people ako na-inspire to see how we support each other here sa people of us na. Siyempre, gusto namin yung special mention ng ating mga
Kita-kita ko agad.
Okay. So, yan, nag-report namin sa inyo is ang aming debut single na Kabanata. And it's been such an honor na magdaanan at nahati namin ang journey na to. Ang aming Kabanata with you guys. Kaya maraming salamat. And mukhang, ready mo yan? Siyempre,
Ano lang tayo? Ilan tayo sa level 6 namin? 6
number 7 ba? 6 number 7. 6, 8, diba, sa mga nakasubaybay ng live namin kahapon, unfortunately, our matinee, or yung bukso namin won't be here with us tonight. Kaya naman, ito pa kami mag-request na kumanta tayo ng happy birthday para sa aming bukso na si Rafael.
Pero dapat mag-video ko.
Naka-video ba dapat? Ay, naku.
Hindi ba yung mag-video guys?
Hindi dyan natin sa Open Manager. Okay. Sabay tayo. Happy birthday, Rafa. Happy birthday, Rafa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday, Rafa. Happy birthday, Rafa. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rafa. Yeah. Higher! Classic play!
Hey guys, I'm Yuki.
What's up, I am Seb! Hope you all enjoy play!
Hey, naku naman po si Charles, magandang araw po sa inyo.
Alam mo, sobrang na-excite mag-perform ngayong gabi kasi pinaghandaan talaga namin. Alam niyo ba, sa sobrang pinaghandaan namin, kahit di namin song, pinractice namin. Kaya naman, sobrang saya namin na mag-perform dito tonight kasi alam namin na may nagpunta lahat ng iba't ibang fandoms dito, especially ang aming mga pearls! Asan na mga pearls? Alam namin na galing pa kayo guys sa malalayo na kaya sana mag-ingat kayo sa pag-uwi. But for now, enjoy the rest of the show!
Come with a star! Hi, I'm Elle. Everyone, I'm Denise. Hi, I'm Dave. Hello, I'm Anne, and we are Melissa. Kamusta kayong lahat? Again, join us along! Woo! Kaya kami nakapag-perform kami sa harap ninyong lahat. Thank you so much! And syempre, thank you, people, for having us here. Yes, bago na lahat, gusto pala akong i-shoutout.
Gusto ko lang magbihin ng happy birthday yung auntie ko. Ayun sila.
Happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday!
Sa mga hindi mo nakakala, mga aming pinerform ay ang aming single entitled Ugnayan!
Grabe! Nag-enjoy ba kayo doon? I want to hear you guys louder! Nag-enjoy ba kayo doon?
Nagustuhan nyo ba yun? Hanapin yung mga Zaya po namin. What's up, Zaya? Uy! Bakit bigla kayong dumami? Maganda din today. And that was our pre-debut single, Kaya. Grabe, maganda ng boses ninyo. Narinig namin kayo habang sumasakay kayo sa kanta namin. Everyone, mag-ingat! The energy.
Hip Hop Express.